Good morning, no, good afternoon all. So I'm sat here in my car at Tesco in Loudwater to get my lunch, and I've always liked coming to Tesco because you can get a meal deal for £3. Well, you could get a meal deal for £3. It's all starting to get a little bit more expensive now. Yes, the meal deal price has gone up. So yes, it was £3 when you use your club card, or £3.50 when you didn't, but now it's £3.40 with a club card and £3.90 without one. Well, there's an old sign here, meal deal with a club card £3, without £3.50. There's also a new sign here, meal deal with a club card £3.40, without a club card £3.90. So this is my meal deal, a chicken and bacon Caesar salad, salt and vinegar crisps and a Pepsi Max, and I'm expecting to pay £3.40, and there's the price, £3.90. Stick my club card in there, club card accepted, and it miraculously goes down to £3.40. Pay. But the other thing I like about coming to Tesco is that while you're purchasing your meal deal, and indeed sitting in the car and eating it, you can plug into the electric charging points, which are here. But as you can see today, all 4 of them are taken. It's getting increasingly difficult to get a space on the electric charging points, I suppose because electric cars are becoming more common. In fact, we've got cars charging, and on the left here, that red one, an electric car waiting to charge because all the spots are taken. However, from tomorrow, things should get a little bit easier because Tesco are starting to charge from tomorrow, November the 1st, 2022, 28p per kilowatt hour. Now, up to now, and it's been several years, these charges have all been free, and so yes, it's been a bit of a free-for-all, and people sometimes bring their cars here and just leave them to charge for hours on end, and it is becoming increasingly difficult to get onto these chargers. But 28p per kilowatt hour, well, maybe that'll put a few people off, and it'll become easier to get a charging point at Tesco's in future. So let me just check that it's still free to charge at Tesco. So here we are, Tesco Superstore, High Wycombe, Loudwater. Corey Cleo is one of the charging points. And it says here up at the top, pricing tariffs vary. Click here to view. So I'll click there. And yes, you can see that today, Monday, it's free. And tomorrow, Tuesday, it's 28p per kilowatt hour, and that carries on ad infinitum. And of course, this is nationwide. This is at every Tesco Superstore in the whole of the UK. Here's the press release, price update at Tesco stores. Now, we've known about this since October the 19th, so we've had a bit of advance notice. From 1st of November, there will be new prices for using charging points, and the price per kilowatt hours on a 7 kilowatt charging point is 28p per kilowatt hour, and then on 22 kilowatt it's more, and on the 50 kilowatt, I suppose you could call them rapid chargers, 50 pence per kilowatt hour. Right, well, I've purchased my meal deal, and I've eaten my meal deal, and yes, it's the same 4 cars are here using the only 4 available electric charging points. So I think it's probably a good thing that they're starting to charge for these charging points from tomorrow, because it's very difficult to get on these, and I think people just sit here on them. I mean, I'm guilty, I've done it myself, and just suck up the free electricity. So I'm going to have to abandon this place and move on to my favourite charging location, which is about a mile down the road. Ah yes, this is better. All on my own here at these 6 charging points.